Are you suffering from kidney disease? If so, you may be interested to learn that acupuncture can be a beneficial, complementary therapy for your condition. Acupuncture has been found to alleviate symptoms and support kidney health, providing you with much needed relief. Let's explore the potential benefits of acupuncture for kidney disease. Firstly, acupuncture can improve blood flow to the kidneys, promoting healthy function. By stimulating specific points on your body, acupuncture helps increase the circulation of blood to your kidneys, which is essential for their proper functioning. This improved blood flow can lead to enhanced kidney health and overall well-being. Furthermore, acupuncture has anti-inflammatory effects that can help alleviate kidney inflammation. Inflammation in the kidneys can be a common symptom of kidney disease, causing discomfort and further complications. Acupuncture's ability to reduce inflammation can provide you with much needed relief, making your kidneys healthier and more comfortable. Another benefit of acupuncture for kidney disease is enhanced filtration. By promoting efficient filtration and waste removal, acupuncture can improve your kidney function. This can help prevent the buildup of toxins and waste products in your body, supporting your overall kidney health and ensuring their optimal performance. Additionally, acupuncture can be highly effective in managing pain associated with kidney disease. Whether you're experiencing back pain or flank pain, acupuncture can help alleviate these symptoms. By targeting specific acupuncture points, this therapy can provide you with pain relief and improve your quality of life. Lastly, acupuncture can help regulate hormones that affect kidney function. Hormonal balance is crucial for kidney health, and acupuncture can assist in this aspect. By influencing hormones like renin and aldosterone, acupuncture promotes optimal kidney function and ensures your body's internal systems are working harmoniously. If you're considering acupuncture for kidney disease, there are specific acupuncture points commonly used for this condition. These points support kidney function, nourish yin energy, regulate kidney function, promote urination, reduce pain, and support overall kidney health. Through targeted stimulation of these points, acupuncture can provide you with the greatest benefit for your kidney disease treatment. However, it is important to consult with a licensed acupuncturist and your healthcare provider before incorporating acupuncture into your kidney disease treatment plan. They will provide you with the necessary guidance and ensure that acupuncture complements your existing treatments in a safe and effective manner. In conclusion, if you're seeking relief from the symptoms of kidney disease and looking to support your kidney health, acupuncture can be a beneficial complementary therapy. With its ability to improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, enhance filtration, manage pain, and regulate hormones, acupuncture offers numerous potential benefits. Don't hesitate to explore this natural and holistic approach with the guidance of a licensed acupuncturist and your healthcare provider. Your kidneys deserve the best care possible, and acupuncture can play a significant role in their well-being.